Is it time to buy or sell Aclarion stock? In this video, we will delve into Aclarion. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, and now we are prepared to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to overlook any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 4th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Aclarion as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.59. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of 76%. This equates to an average loss of 19% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock currently rests at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which may present an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $9.55 is breached, it will initially suggest a more pronounced decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 50.34% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between a complete loss and 1,989.31%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month assessment points to a projected decline of 81.59%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a total loss and 235.20% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $4.63. Our latest daily update for Aclarion includes the headline: High volatility in Aclarion Inc. stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $1.38. The Aclarion Inc. stock price fell by 13.75% on the last day, Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, from $1.60 to $1.38. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 39.15%, with a day low at $1.29 and a day high of $1.80. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 72.99% over this period. Volume also fell on the last day alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should follow the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 27 million shares, with a total of 23 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $31.73 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $231.15, while the lowest price was $1.06. Currently, the price is 99.40%, or $229.77, below the 52-week high, and 99.94%, or $2,239.77, below the all-time high on January 8, 2024, when the price reached $2,241.15. Aclarion, Incorporated, has recently announced significant milestones that could positively influence its stock performance. On the 6th of March, 2025, the company revealed plans to expand its NoSysCan technology through partnerships with RadNet affiliates in New York and New Jersey. This expansion is critical as it increases market access for a technology that helps identify chronic low back pain sources using advanced artificial intelligence algorithms and biomarkers. Additionally, on the 3rd of March, Aclarion secured its first commercial agreement with Scripps Health, which will enhance access to NoSysCan for more than 3,200,000 residents in the greater San Diego area. Both developments could lead to increased revenues and consumer adoption, thereby bolstering investor confidence. Moreover, Aclarion's recent funding of nearly $20 million for its pivotal Clarity trial demonstrates strong backing for its innovative clinical approach. This trial aims to establish NoSysCan as the gold standard in spine surgery outcomes, which could yield long-term benefits for the company, as successful validation may lead to improved market positioning and increased sales. In the short term, these announcements could drive investor interest and potentially elevate ACON's share price. Over the long term, a successful rollout and adoption of NoSysCan could significantly enhance Aclarion's profitability and market standing within the healthcare technology sector. As these developments unfold, stakeholders will be closely monitoring Aclarion's strategic execution and market responses. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 26th of August, 2024, it was reported that Ascendian assigned ACON a buy rating along with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 29th of July, 2024, it was noted that Ascendian also granted ACON a buy rating, but with an initialize action. Analysts have given Aclarion stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Aclarion. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of ACON Inc. is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Should the stock experience upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $4.19 and $7.21. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, March 3, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 81.84%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume should typically mirror price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 58 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Aclarion. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock has the potential for significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 505 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, or approximately 39%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been around 61 and 48%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Aclarion, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. Nevertheless, persistent negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -$50. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Aclarion. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Aclarion is at $1.60. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and contemplate placing bets only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Aclarion, drawn from various analyst sources, is classified as a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 28th of March, 2023, when Thraman Jeffrey John executed an insider sale of 1 share of Series A preferred stock. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Aclarion stock a good buy? ACON Inc. holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 10th of March, we anticipate Aclarion to open higher by approximately 10.8 cents, starting at $1.49. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.